Hello everyone, welcome to another topic of contemporary challenges for IT managers. Today I'll be discussing on the topic green computing, and we're gonna look at the definition of green computing, list some of the benefits, disadvantages, and also the challenges faced by green computing, and we'll provide some of the solutions for it. So with further ado, let's deep dive into the introduction. Introduction. So what is green computing? Basically, it's a use of computers and resources that are effectively responsible for environment and eco-friendly. Can be defined as the study of designing, manufacturing, using, disposing, and recycling the use of computers that impacts the environment to reduce the e-waste. The next topic is benefits of green computing. So green computing helps in reducing the cost. As the recycle of the product can save the tremendous amount of money, time, and energy in manufacturing the system, thereby conserving the environment. It has a beneficial image in a corporate world. By utilizing the use of green computing, uplifts the organization to show how other eco-friendly they are, and more important, business makes environmentalism as a part of their brand. Customer, clients, and stakeholders want to know about the green effects and will be happy to learn if they are dealing with the responsible environment and aware corporation. Let's look some of the current challenges facing by the green computing. The first topic is return on investment. As to see the impact of green computing in the environment, it takes a lot of time, and it's really hard to convince and difficult. It's really hard and difficult to convince investor companies of the stakeholders to invest, as it takes a substantial amount of time to show the real benefit of investment. It's power consuming. There is no invention of IC chips that generates high efficiency and gives high performance without consuming power. Disposal of electronic waste changes there is a change in material used in manufacturing in electronics, and they are really hard to dispose and non-eco-friendly materials, increasing in high energy requirements, as most of the users or the people, they prefer using high processor to complete a certain tasks, and which requires a high amount of energy that are extremely expensive, expensive, such as Apple's power range of computers. Let's look at what are some of the solutions for e-waste. So what can be done to reduce all the challenges? We can simply turn off the PCs. Like whenever you be using the PCs, we can simply turn it off. We can use emails instead of papers. Limit the use of some gadgets. If you have like multiple gadgets that has the same purpose, we can just reduce to some, which will eventually help to reduce e-waste. And also we can reduce the light labels. That's my time. See you. Thank you.